Kids Channel, formerly Knowledge Channel, is a cartoon TV channel owned and by Mauritius Broadcasting Corporation. The channel came into operation on 15 September 2014, playing anime, cartoons, teen sitcoms and game shows in English and French. At certain time, the channel goes on live streaming of TV5 Monde. The channel goes off-air on 31 January and MBC review the programmation of all channels. The closure also includes MBC News Channel. History. Previously, the frequency was broadcasting under the name of Knowledge Channel, which have ceased operations on 14 September 2014 to leave space for Kids Channel. The Knowledge Channel was broadcasting recorded TV programs by TV5 Monde and Voice of America. During the prime time, TV shows produced by the Mauritius College of the Air, now the Open University of Mauritius, was ed. List of shows broadcast: Ants, Monk Le Carter sur Pattes, Bernard, Hutto's The Flying House, Panshell, Brainy Bubbly Bug Buddies, Cambu, Johnny Test, Grabouillon, Conch Bay, Kung Fu Panda, Kung Fu Masters of Zodiac, 12 Zodiac Way, Rahan, My Almost Famous Family, Einstein, My Animal Family, Des Chiffres et des Lettres, Les Simpson, Violetta, Mermaid Melody Peachy Peachy Pitch, Mermaid Melody Peachy Peachy Pitch Pure, Winx Club. List shows formerly broadcast: How I Met Your Mother,